Hey, I'm Johnny from UpfitSupply.com, and today we are showing off this alloy cover from WeatherTech. We've got this installed on our 2019 Ram 1500. It is one beautiful piece of equipment that keeps the top or your bed completely covered and protected. You can open it up, got latches here, and it's a tri-fold style, so it opens up into 3 different pieces here and have access to your bed. You can use these guys to pin it down, fasten it in place there, and you can actually ride with this up like this if needed. And super simple to uninstall. Just a couple of these D-clips you unclip here and pull it up and off, and away you go if you need access to the full bed. Just like all WeatherTech products, this has been made in the USA. It's definitely made to last and will keep your truck protected and work ready at all times. For more products like this to keep your truck or van ready for work in the field, check out UpfitSupply.com.